What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add payment methods on Fiverr. Now this is the best tutorial and easy tutorial, so all you have to do, guys, is watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to switch to selling account. Now probably it's automatically says here switch to selling, so you need to click on switch to selling in the top right. Now if it takes you to the same page as me, as you can see, then what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on my business in the top left. Okay, click on earnings, and here what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on manage payout methods, and these are your earnings. As you can see, I've withdrawn $20 here, and in the top you will see the earnings that are available for use, but currently I have $0. Yeah, I only made like $20 since I started this for like 3 years. Now I don't really use it. Okay, you want to click on manage payout methods. Okay, and here you need to add PayPal and or Payoneer. So if you don't have an account on Payoneer, it's very good to use Payoneer on Fiverr. That's what I did, guys. I created an account on Payoneer, but you can't really select it if the minimum amount is less than $20, as you can see. But the PayPal, you can't also click on the PayPal because there are no earnings that are available right now. So you can select which one you want, PayPal or bank transfer. If you select PayPal, they will send you an email to your email, and then you can just click on that email, click confirm. That's it. It's very easy, guys. Okay, I already linked my Payoneer. As you can see, bank transfer, it says here bank transfer, but if you have PayPal, you can link it. Okay, you can just withdraw your money using PayPal. It's the best option if you don't want to wait for $20. That's the problem with Payoneer. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you. Please, if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.